How to apply to study in China. Step 1. Choose to study in China. Step 2. Decide on a course and an institution. Step 3. Check entry requirements for course and visa. Step 4. Apply for the course. Step 5. Receive your letter of offer. Step 6. Receive JW202 and confirmation of enrollment. Step 7. Apply for a visa. And finally, Step 8. Plan your travel. Axiom offers professional guidance to Bangladeshi students who intend to study in China. We'll be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We'll review your academic, professional, and financial circumstances along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we'll assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study, and all other related issues. You'll get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced education advisors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure, etc., until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in China is as follows. First up, we have Step 1, attending a counseling session at Axiom. Attend a counseling session at Axiom for planning and gathering information about your scholarship options relating to study in China, courses available, and recommended institutions. Now we shall discuss language proficiency requirements, we shall also discuss eligibility requirements for admission, and we'll also be discussing the amount of money required to study in China. Next up, we'll have Step 2, and that is to register with Axiom. You may register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Coming up on Step 3, we'll be preparing and appearing for standardized admission tests. Now, to prepare and appear for standardized admission tests, you may join AGI or Axiom Global Institute to sit for the exams required for the application, such as IELTS, TOEFL, etc. Coming up on Step 4, we have applying for admission. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we will help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. We shall prepare application documents. We shall arrange to send the application fee. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your language ability. Documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom Education Advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you'll be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the application by keeping you in contact with the institution on your behalf. Now, the standard documents for study application include an application form for international students, the notarized Xerox copies of the certificates for the last degree and graduation, the notarized Xerox copy for the transcript for the last degree and graduation, a Xerox copy of the valid transport or the photo page, a Xerox copy of the certificate for Chinese proficiency test or the HSK for those who intend to study in Chinese. And finally, you will need 2 references from the 2 professors or associate professors for master and doctoral program. This is not needed for PhD holders. Now, the common application for the standard documents for study application include photographs, passport, academic certificates, academic transcripts, and medical reports. For masters and PhD, additional documents will be required, such as a reference letter, a statement of purpose, a police clearance certificate, a resume or a CV, etc. Once that is out of the way, we'll step forward to Step 5, and that is undertaking medicals. After submitting your application for admission, you'll need to undertake a medical examination by one of the doctors approved by the Chinese government. When that is done, we'll move on to Step 6, and that is organizing funds. This will mean to arrange and organize proof of payment of tuition and accommodation fees, or a letter from the person or institution providing you with money, or proof of funding paid from within China if you have a scholarship, or are in a Chinese-funded educational program. Step 7 will be paying the tuition fees. Now, to accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee. Most Chinese institutions require you to pay the first year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our value-added services department at Axiom Education Advisor can help you arrange either of these payment methods. When that is done, we'll move on to step 8, which is the visa lodgement. Now, you're all set to study abroad in China, but not sure what to do about your student visa? You've got your heart set on studying in China, but before you can embark on that journey, you'll need to get your student visa sorted. The process might seem complicated, but we have broken it down into easy steps. An international student working to study in China must apply for a visa in person. To lodge your visa application, you'll need to provide the recommended documents specified by the Embassy of China in Bangladesh. Now, the basic visa application required documents are the passport, a visa application form which will be duly filled up, passport size 2 into 2 inches photographs with white background, all academic certificates, registration cards and mark sheets, the admission approval from the Chinese educational institution you have been accepted into, and your JW202. Lastly, you'll also need evidence showing the applicant's ability to pay all expenses during his or her stay in China. Further additional documents may be required. Please note that except for passport and photos, every document should be provided as one photocopy and its original. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Once that is over, we'll wait for step 9, which is the visa outcome, and usually the Embassy of China in Bangladesh delivers passport in less than 5 working days after the interview. We'll notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your passport and grant letter. In most cases, this is a positive response, and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for China. And finally, we have step 10, which is getting ready to go. Once you've accepted your place and your visa application is approved, we can help you organize your travel arrangements and advice with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in China. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange, and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. Now, the estimated processing time might take 1 month approximately from you receiving the official admission notice to the visa being issued with success. So wait no more. If you're serious about preparing for a study abroad, our expertise can help you get ready and find the right university and course selection, university application, visa application, pre-departure assistance, and accommodation arrangements. Start your application now. More information down in the link below. Thank you for your time with Axiom. Have a good day.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.